this, and you can see the list of figures. I'm placing it on the screen here, but more so importantly, we need this table. Now using this table, we'll be able to get the required solutions for this question. This is the table that is given. This is the figure and the number of sticks and number of dots. Now you have dots like this, okay? The vertex where the edges are meeting, they are taken as dots in this question or in this figure. Now these are all the sticks, right? They are the edges. So you have a list of figures, as you can see from the image. The first figure has been given to contain 12 dots. So naturally, if you had to count, you will have 12 in number. So this is sticks. So the sticks are 12 in number. The dots are given to be as 13. Okay, the sticks are, if you had to start the counting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I started from here, so number of sticks are 12. Dots, you start the count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, so it's given as 13. So let me count it one more time. So it's going to be 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, right? So there are 12 dots, but this figure also has a dot in the center, so that's why it's given as 13 dots. Okay, so that's the explanation of the data that we are being given. So let me go and fill up the table. 24, 25, 36, 37, 48, 49. Okay, foremost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. This indicates the value of n. Now let me show you how to get this value. Now this is the sequence: 12, 24, 36, 48. We have to get the next term in the sequence. Now for that we will use this formula: n is equal to a positive n minus 1 into d. So this n is actually the term, nth term. Okay, so we need the fifth term, or I would say figure number 5. So figure 5 has this formula: a positive n minus 1 into d. Right, so that is exactly what I meant when I represented this formula over there. Okay, so having mentioned that, let me get this first term. So a is equal to 12 as the first term. The difference between the first and the second term, that is going to give me the value for d. Clearly 12 and 24, the difference is 12 there. And we are interested in getting the value for number 5 there. Okay, so this is 12 positive, 5 minus 1 into 12, which is going to be 12 positive, 5 negative 1 is 4, multiplied with 12, which is going to be 12 positive 48. So to 48 you add 12, what do you get? 8 added with 2, 10, 4 with 1, 5 with 1, 6, 60 is the value. So the number of sticks for figure number 5 is going to be 60. Now we need to find out the number of dots. Obviously the dots are basically incrementing by 1, right? 36, 37, 48, 49, 24, 25, this is 25, 12 and 13. So now obviously this is going to be 61. Okay, for the next one we are up to find out the figure number. Use this formula: a positive n minus 1 into d. This is equal to 156, it's given. The first term is 12, n is required, d is 12, is equal to 156. So 12 positive 12 and negative 12 is equal to 156. So negative 12 positive 12 cancels off, giving me 12n is equal to 156. So n is equal to 156 divided by 12. 12 divides here one time, you carry a 3 out, so that means 13. So n is 13. So if n is equal to 13, over here, this is going to be 157 and this is 13. Okay, so this value is 13, 156. This is easily found out, 157. So we have to find out the nth term. Okay, so when n is equal to 1, we have 12. When n is equal to 2, we have 24. N is equal to 3, we have 36. So clearly the term is going to be 12n here. N is equal to 1, you get 12. N is equal to 2, 24. N is equal to 3, 36. So this value is going to be 12n. Over here, the increment is actually plus 1, right? We have a plus 1 increment to this quantity. So when we add plus 1, we get this quantity, 13. Okay, so there is a rise of, or a raise of just 1 unit. So this is going to be 12n positive 1. So that is the solution for this question. Now this is the next question. We've been given the number of dots. Okay, we have figure 1, figure 2, figure 2 and figure 3, and figure 3 and figure 4. So we have 13 positive 25, that's 38. 25 positive 37 is 62. 37 positive 49 is 86. Now we are asked to find the total number of dots for figure 7 and figure 8. Now we know that the number of dots is given as 12n positive 1. So for n is equal to 7, this is 12 of 7 positive 1, which is 84 positive 1, which is 85. So 85, and for n is equal to 8, this is going to be 12 of 8 positive 1, which is 96 positive 1, which is 97. So we add 12, 1, 9 9s are 18, right? 7 out of the 5 is 12, carry 1, and 9 9s are 18. So this is 182 dots. Okay, now we are also asked to find the number of dots for figure n and figure n positive 1. So what is this? This is figure n added with figure n positive 1. This is going to be equal to 12 of n positive 1. This is added with 12 of n positive 1 positive 1, which is nothing but 12n positive 1. 12n positive 12 positive 1. We add these two together, we get 24n. We add 1 with 12, that's 13 added with 1, that's 14. So that is the solution for this question.